Isahabo kimono kakanya mesuse ukewanza ile suso kuza kupenda hapangwe Bisa kukamba mambo maluso wajibonge Umambu wakamba mono ikusabisa ngakabansi Umambu wakamba mono wasola ya kutima Umwana wakanozo se wakitoka hindokabe Jesuse mauso amanga sumoja kwe Jesuse mauso amanga sumoja kwe Jesuse mauso amanga sumoja kwe Jesuse mauso amanga sumoja kwe
It doesn't matter if you have 10,000 followers or just a few hundred. Print on demand is an amazing way to make money online, whether you're a YouTuber,
Twitcher, Instagrammer, politician, musician, artist, gym owner,
or even a dog. With print on demand, you can sell customized t-shirts, hats, and other items without worrying about printing, packing, shipping,
Hello. Yambote.
Kiambote.
Cambodia.
Uh, I have issue with my browser. Okay, if you are watching, we say thank you very much. Welcome. This is Kikongo language class. We are going to learn Kikongo. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom, spoken in Angola, Gabon, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and the Republic of Congo. Thank you very much, Tatan Alain and Nengo Tadiwa. Let me just try to display where is my file. Bear with me. Yes, here. Can you see my file? You can see it.
It's
Yes,
loading.
I can see it.
You can see it.
Yes, I can
Yes.
see it now.
Okay, give me 1 minute. I can't see from this side. Okay, I can see it now. Okay. Yes, let's hope Tata David is coming. Tutondele. Engwa Tadiwa. Mama Vimpi.
Ingeta tuna mavimpi tutondele.
Tutondele. Tata Lele, no Vimpi.
Ingeta. Nama vimpi. Yenwe.
Tutondele. Thank you very much for your time. It is Sunday, but yes, we love our language. We have to learn it. Okay. Let me move quickly to my lesson. This is lesson 6, section 1. Tata David is here. Kiambote Tata David.
Hi, Kiambote.
Welcome. Wait. Okay. Marimai Congo lesson 6, section 1. Thank you for your time, Tata David. Okay. Toi, mais. Akweikena. Munzokena. Nengo Tadiwa, please.
Onken twame akwekena. Munzokena.
Munzokena. Tutondele. Tata Ale, Engudiame, Akweikena.
Ingudiame. Akwakena. Munzukena.
Munzokena. Tutondele. Tata Davidi.
One ame akwe bena, munzo bena.
Well done. Do you remember this is plural, singular? Remember Tata one and a child? One, this is plural. Singular, anyone remember?
Oh, this is one is
my child.
Yeah, this is plural.
one.
One.
Is
Wait.
Mwana.
Remember? Remember? One. Tutondele. Then what tell you?
Ekinkutu yame. Sorry. Ekinkutu kyame akwekina. Munzokina.
Well done. Very important to remember. Key. Can you see the key and key? Yeah, they go together. Yeah, key.
I thought the word zo was house.
Yeah, me too.
Yes, it is there.
Oh, okay, I see.
I mean, there's a. You're right. Should be 2 words. Should be Muna space Nzo. but you just go Munzo. Hmm?
Right. I'm sorry, but in the previous one, I didn't see where the agreement comes in. Owan, yeah, Owan ame akwe bena.
Hmm?
Where are my children?
Munzo Bena.
Okay, Munzo. Okay, all right, I see.
That time, Ayoke Nzo is a house, yeah? Nzo.
Yeah.
Nzo house.
So
We have two words here. We have a Muna in, yeah, Muna, Muna space Nzo. Don't worry about the D. It's D just for the tone. Then what I do, please? Omwana. Sorry, no
I'm
Omwana.
really gone.
It is not. I'm speaking Portuguese. It is not Mwana. Go ahead. Then what I do?
Is it me or?
No, what I do?
No,
Sorry.
I already gone.
You done?
But
Oh,
I'm
sorry. That's all.
Yes.
Umadia mame. Wow. Umadia mame akwaken mena.
Oh, okay. This is a good grammar. I mean, hard. No, is remember. Let me just go back. You are ahead of many people. You see, key, key, kina, yes.
Yeah.
Take note, kina, kiame, kina. Then let us move to the next one. Mame, mena, yes. Can you see the pattern, Tata Devi? Mame, mena. It is 98 or 99% correct, the pattern. Although there's no guarantee because sometimes, depending on a variant, and I mean, it is a language. You know what I'm saying? Try to move to the next one. Omvoatumia me akwe mina. Voatumia me mina. Mia me mina. Who's next? I can't even remember.
I am.
Go ahead, Tata David.
Yeah. Umwatu myame akwe mina. Munzo mina.
Munzo mina. This is very good grammar. This is Kikongo. Ombatumia me akwe mina. Munzo mina. Let me just go back. Ki kia me kina. Tatale. You see the pattern. Kia me kina.
Mm-hmm.
Mame mena. Yeah. Mina sem. Wait. Oh, too fast then. Yes. Miame, mina. Then what I do? I think it's your turn, please.
Yes, it is. Umbotu miame akwe mina. Munzo mina.
But to miame. Maybe I try to test you.
Umbotu miame akwe mina. Munzo mina.
Yeah, well done. Let me just try to check something. What? Okay, good. Take note. In Kikongo, my S is here. My S is, let's say, is Y. Plural is here. It is on, we call it possessive, yeah. Pronoun. I mean, it is very hard to explain. Not hard to explain, but sometimes it's not the same as using in other languages, European languages. Okay, I got here Mvatu. Mvatu stays the same, invariable, it does not change. Miame, as you can see, many, plural. How do I make this singular? That here. Mvatu does not change. Mvatu stays the same. Hmm? Someone is looking at the no.
You said
Go ahead, Tata. Go. You free. Go. Don't.
so how to make voiture singular, right?
You don't change them. What? You don't change
That
them. What?
stays the
What is
same, right?
there? What is static? There's no change. Mm. Our S comes from here. Singular plural is here. Tata, David, are you brave?
Yeah, you've stumped me here. I'm not sure how that becomes singular.
Is it in voiture zame or no? No, zame is
Yeah, this is a
already
plural. What you have
it's
here is a
already
plural.
plural.
What is singular now?
Just ame, right?
Well done, bravo. Yeah. What to
Okay.
yeah, yeah. Let me just give you most. I'm not sure if I'm going to see. Let me see. Give 1 minute. I need to share another fun. Mm, I need to stop this one.
Mhm.
Where is it? Well done, Tata. Tata. It's going to look good to try. Always good to try, you know? Pangi. What is Pangi? What does it mean? Tata, hold on. Pangi.
My 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 brother
Yeah,
or my
sibling, yeah,
my
sibling, yeah,
sibling.
unisex,
The
yeah,
sibling of
pangiam,
the
yeah,
opposite gender.
same pangiame. When I say pangiame, I mean one. Pangizame,
Mm-hmm.
many. See,
Hmm.
Okay.
so your S is on your S is here. This is your S. Yeah, correct.
Yeah, gotcha.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
let us go back to. I mean, this Kikongo language, very good language. I mean, it's good language. Yes, it is mine. I can only say it's good.
Tata Mpanzu,
Go
I
ahead,
have a
yeah.
question.
Yes.
So Pangi is a sibling but of the same gender or the opposite gender?
No, unisex. I mean, girl, boy, same thing.
I think
Pangyam.
Okay.
you're thinking about tanga. Tanga is the opposite, right?
Okay.
Tanga.
Tanga.
Tanga. Tanga.
Tanga. N-S-A. Okay, come over this. Okay, N-S. You want me to write it down? Tanga. Katani, you want me to write it
Yes.
down? Yeah, okay,
Yeah.
let me just. Tanga. Tanga. Can you define it? How do you define it? What is Tanga? Okay, that's on the spotlight.
Hmm.
No, tanga
Let's
is
pray.
the is I guess the opposite sex. So if I use the term tanga, then I mean my sister, my female sibling.
Correct. And the opposite true as well. Your sister, my Tanga is my sister. To my sister, only brothers are her Tanga, yeah? Correct. Although sometimes people mix up. I mean, this is Tanga. It is opposite sex. Your siblings, yeah. That name what I do. Are you okay?
Yes.
Good. Okay. Okay, time's gone. Where were we? Okay, try to let us go back to a PowerPoint. Yes. Voitu miame, voitu ame. Well done, Tata, well done. Tata David, please.
Onkanda ame, akwe wina, munzo wina.
Uganda ame kwe wina. Munzo ina. Yes. Plural, Tata David. Because Nkanda doesn't change.
Oh, okanda yame, akwe wina.
Yeah, not tricky. Just instead of Y, use another letter, another.
Oh, okay.
Let's
Sorry, I thought
get
that would be a Y here.
instead
Okanda
of Y.
Nzabi,
Well done,
Okanda
bravo.
Nzabi Akwewina.
Okay, I have a
In this case,
question.
plural. So it you change
No, my
here.
question is,
Akwe mina. Remember mina? Mina plural. Tata David. If you go Kandazam plural and Kwe mina. Remember the previous. Was it previous?
Mm,
What to see? Mina.
right.
Plural. That time, sorry. Go ahead. Please.
what I was gonna say was, you were saying the pattern was where you have the W, right? So wouldn't it be a Nkandwame with a W instead of a Zame? Or am I not following that? Remember
Kandazam.
you said the M, the KK and K. So if you go to the previous one, you were saying the pattern was where you have Miame M, Mina M, and then Mina M. So on the next one, will it be W instead of Z?
You mean the plural?
Yeah,
Yes.
for plural.
No, it's Z. Z, yeah.
Oh, it's Z.
I,
Okay.
I, I can understand it's hard to define correctly, but it is Z, yeah. Kandazam. Uh, sorry, let me, oh, no, hang on. So, what do you mean? I was talking about plural. This is singular. I'm
Yeah,
sorry,
no, that's
apology,
singular. I'm
apology.
talking about plural.
Apology, yeah. Kanda miame, yes, sir. Kanda miame.
With an M or with
MY,
a
yeah.
W?
M1.
MW, yeah. Kanda miame. Here, yeah. Same as previous one.
Okay.
What do miame? Are you okay? Let me go back. Here we have Kanda. It is already in plural.
Yeah.
Umvatu miame akwe mina. The
Mm-hmm.
next one
So,
is singular. We're going back to plural.
uh-huh.
Is it clear? This is plural.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
Keep in
plural.
mind, we're going to the singular, but we're applying this pattern. This is singular, but we're applying the previous one.
Okay, so then everything. Okay, so it would be
Kanda
ukanda
miame, kanda miame, kanda miame.
ukandamiame akwe mina.
Yes, correct, yes.
Okay,
This is singular, yeah?
okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, it's there already. Anyway, Tata David. It's here.
Mm-hmm.
Tata, yes, it's here. Kanda miame akwe mina.
Yeah.
So mina. Yes.
Mm.
Name
No,
what I do. Wow.
I
Any
think is
question?
it my turn?
No, we are fine. We're done. We're done for today.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, we're going back to the next week, next Sunday, because this
Okay.
grammar is very important. Very, very good grammar. Questions?
Yeah, I still don't get why that very last example would be
Okay.
dead
Let's keep
instead
it
of my for the plural.
You mean this one?
Nope, the one that you had me do, which I think comes after this.
What to me, man?
Even after this, I think you had me do the very next one.
This
Yeah.
thing, nkanda, I'm singular.
Okay.
Then you have nkanda miame, plural.
All right.
What was question to the David? So.
I perhaps it was not this one, but a subsequent one, even after this, where I said that the plural should be
Let me just go back.
zombie. Yeah, let's see. Kame, ame, kento ame. Yeah, I'm not seeing it now.
No, it was not. I think something we did extra from. It was not on this slide.
Okay.
Mm. Yes, mame, ma, umadia mame, pull up.
Women. Mhm.
Madia mame singular me, yeah. Akwemena, ubwatumiame, kwemina, unkandame. Then we have unkandamiame.
Yeah, me.
Yes.
Women.
Yeah. Unkandame, yeah, singular. Plural. Unkandamiame. Mm. Yes.
Okay,
Thank you very much.
tutongole.
You are brave people, you know. On the spotlight, totally. The world is watching.
I'm trying.
No, good, good. I mean, we we have. I don't know the time where you are, but in 7 p.m. UK time, we have a Kikongo talk show. If you have time, you can follow. Very good.
Oh, what time does it start? You said 7 p.m.?
UK time.
Yeah, 7 p.m. UK time. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, Kikongo talk show. Very good. I mean, it's hard, but maybe it's hard to you.
Yeah.
Only Kikongo, no other, no
No
translation.
language.
Yeah.
Just Kikongo. It's deep Kikongo.
Tutondele. I'm in trouble here. My video are not playing. Anyway, let me try again. Okay. Tutambula makonzo. Tutondele. Okay. One final question. Going back to our song. Song Kikai, Kikai, Kikai. What is Kikai? Nengatariwa your formula.
Kinkai is your mom and dad's kissy.
Kisse. Well done. Yeah, are we okay? Yes. We have 4 ladies. Who are they? We have Kanda, mom. We have Kisse, mom's dad, which is his Kanda. Then 2 missing. That's our name.
Kinkai.
Okay. I'm sorry. What's the? You said 4 ladies. What was the question again?
No, we have darlings, 2 ladies, darlings, 2 ladies, 2 ladies, 4 ladies. I mean, our level as a child, as a son, I have Kanda, mom side, mom, 1 lady. Then I have Kisse, which is dad Kanda, his mom. Yeah, are we okay?
Yeah.
2 ladies, and we go upper level. Have 2 ladies hidden from Kikai, dad's side, which is dad's
That's Kanda.
Kiste, and the other side, mom Kiste, Kikai. There are 2 ladies there. That David, remember you did answer correct last time. Can you help us?
Yeah. After Kikai, I'm not sure what the final one is. No.
No, we're not going up.
There's
Let's answer the question.
Kanda, there's Kise, there's Kikai. But what's the fourth one?
No, we got a lady from Akanda as a son, daughter.
Mhm.
My mom, Akanda. Then we have Gise, which is our dad's
Dad's
Kanda,
Kanda.
his mom. So upper level, we're going higher. We have Kikai, which is parents Kise. You did answer correctly last time. Parents Kise. When talking about dad Kise, we mean, what do we mean that? When we say dad Kise, we
Kissy
mean,
is the kanda for your father.
yes,
Your
well
father's
done.
kanda.
Kind of for your father. Then the other side, if you flip it over, the other side is mom, kind of
Your
mom.
mother's kanda.
So there's another lady there, 2 ladies. Is it clear, Tatani? No?
Oh, okay. No,
Yeah,
I think that I was a little bit confused on the question. Yes, that is clear.
yeah. You just transfer same principle. We have as a son, daughter, mom, mom. We have a lady there. Then Kise, which is the dad's kanda.
Father's.
So
Yes.
his mom. Then we apply same principle up there for dad and mom kisses. So that's four ladies. So quick question before we go. The lady in red, my okay. We're talking Congo tradition here. We're talking before we were sorry, you know what I mean. I'm not going to say we were lives. Okay, too much to say. But this is us, Congo people. The lady in red is my granddaughter. So this is the question. How do you explain it? Dr. Allen. I give you an
Because
answer already.
no, I have the answer because she was she's born from so she's the granddaughter because you were born from the female sibling and she was born from the male sibling.
Not too bad.
Okay, so so that would essentially be so basically your she was born from your uncle, right?
Oh, Tata, let me just ask Tata David. Any idea, Tata David? We're talking about Kikai because I'm Kikai to her. So
Ah,
so
So you share the same Kikai.
oh, she is my granddaughter. I'm Kai to her. I'm grandfather to her. They will not share the same Kikai, no.
Okay.
So her Kikai is my kanda. Listen, remember that Kikai.
mm-hmm.
So her Kikai is my kanda. As long as I'm from the kanda, which is a Kikai, it doesn't matter how old I am. See?
Okay.
Okay, Tatana, we will be going back to that. This is very important. This is us, no? African. When people say that we were civilized, okay, this is we were not. Okay, the other lady, and now you answer now, Tatane, you answer. The other lady is my sister because we share something. We share something. We have something in common. Going upper level.
Oh, you have the you share the same kanda.
No, the same
Higher than
Kikongo, right?
Kikai.
Kai. Yes, well done.
The same
Okay,
man, I'm so confused now.
you know that because the chat is not there. So
Right.
the two ladies,
Yeah.
one is my daughter, one is my granddaughter because I'm her Kikai.
Okay.
The other one is my sister because we share the same Kikai. Remember, Kaka is granddaughter, grandfather, grandmother. Don't worry, Tata, you don't need to memorize. We're going back to that. I need to. Next time I'm going to bring the chat again. Tutondele.
Tondele.
In the Cambodia.
Musala Kimbo.
Fala, Kikongo.
Thank
Tamo aqui, aquele estresse no Maia, manda vir.